got alerts inside your environment. Great. You're watching your data, you're understanding what's happening with your own internal infrastructure, and now you've got something that's telling you when issues are happening. So what happens when that actually occurs? So in this case, I actually have a couple of alerts down here that are currently firing. The system's running hot alert and the high mem percentage. What that tells me that there's an issue ongoing that I need to look into. Now in some of those cases, it actually means that you have certain maintenance that you need to do on the underlying sources of that data. Typically when that happens, you want to set a window of time to actually do those changes so that it doesn't impact the other services within your environment. You do that in Wavefront through maintenance windows. In this case, I can see that the 2 firing alerts that I have here are already marked as in maintenance. It's because I'm actually doing maintenance on one of the app machines tied to these alerts, so I want to make sure that I mark it as don't fire any other alerts for that machine if it has a certain combination of alert tags and sources. So for here, even though there are firing alerts tied to it, it's not specific to app 1, which is the machine that I'm doing my maintenance on. So how did I do that? I did it through maintenance windows. So to go look at that, let's go in here. I'm going to click Browse dropdown and I'm going to click Maintenance Windows. I see here that I have created a maintenance window for app-1. When I look at this, you'll see all the different parameters that I set. I added a name and a description, and then there's also a window of time associated with your maintenance window. Now in this case, this was something that was planned or unplanned. It's already occurring, so I need to get right into it. So when I first created this, I actually chose the Now option. But some time has passed, so it's actually showing me the exact moment in time when I created that. If you have actual true planned maintenance, perhaps every single Tuesday you know that you recycle some machines, you can also set it for a future date and it'll automatically turn on as soon as that time is actually met. In my case, I needed to apply which alerts and sources I wanted to mark as in maintenance. So in this case, I used the alert tag ATL and the source app1. So essentially meaning any alert that has the alert tag ATL associated with it, specifically for app1, mark it as in maintenance. So what that means is that all of those alerts that do have ATL can still be monitored for all of those other machines, but for app1 in particular, it won't let those alerts actually fire. So this is already saved. We've got it in there. It's marked as ongoing. We're good to go. Well, let's say I'm getting close to the end of my time window and I still actually haven't resolved the issue. So I can easily extend this out if I really wanted to, right? Let's say that I want to extend it out for an extra hour. So now it ends at 5 p.m. On the flip side, let's say that I actually set this till 5 p.m., but, well, I actually got it resolved just a little bit faster than that. So I can easily go in here and just mark it as closed right away. Close maintenance window. My incident is done. We're good to go. Maintenance windows are great ways to suppress alerts from actually firing and causing too much noise when you already know they're going to happen anyways. Why actually get all these notifications of an alert when you know it's already happening and you're already doing work to resolve it? Use maintenance windows when you have work to be done to resolve issues and you don't want to avoid, or you actually prefer to avoid, all of that noise. Maintenance windows is a great option.
For more information, detailed videos, and blogs about all Aria Suite products, please visit apps-cloudmanagement.techzone.vmware.com or simply scan the QR code to learn more.